morning, students. Today we are going to study poem 17, Sing a Song of People by Louis Lenski. So in this poem, the poet describes how people these days are in such a hurry. In this poem, the poet is telling us that during these days, means in this era, in this age, all the people, they are always in hurry. They are never peaceful, they are never calm. Wherever they go, they are always in hurry. All the time and wherever they go, they are always in hurry. So in this poem, the poet describes people who are always in hurry. Before understanding the poem, let's first understand meanings. Elevators, noun, machines that carry people or goods up and down to different levels of a building. In a building, there is a lift, we call it lift. That lift is elevator. What does it do? It carries people or goods, means things, up and down to different levels, that is different floors of a building. Second word is ground. Ground is noun, means the solid surface of the earth. The surface of the earth, the solid surface on which we stand, that is ground. Grumpy is adjective, means bad tempered. The person who has bad temper is grumpy. Hurry is verb, means to do something more quickly than usual. We normally do things, and in comparison to that normal activity, if we do the same thing very quickly, that is we are in hurry. The next word is laughing, that is adjective, means showing happiness. When we are laughing, we are showing that we are happy. Pours is verb, means when rain falls heavily. When rain is falling heavily, at that time it's pouring. Sidewalk, noun, a flat path at the side of a road for people to walk on. So a flat part is there on the side of the road, right? And where people walk, that is sidewalk. Singly, adverb means alone. When nobody is with you, that time you are singly. Stores, noun, means shops. Then next word is subway, that is noun, means an underground railway system. So railway system is there, but it is underground. That is called subway. Next word is underneath. Its preposition, means under or below something else. If there is a table and under the table there is a book, then we may say the book is underneath the table. Sing a song of people walking fast or slow. People in the city, up and down they go. So here the poet is saying that let's sing a song of people. What kind of people? The people who walk fast or slow. People who are in the city and they keep going up and down, means they are always busy, they are always in hurry. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people passing in back and front of us. So here the poet is saying that people on the sidewalk, all those people who are walking on the sidewalk, those people who are on the bus, they, and other people, they keep passing and passing, means they are just moving here and there. In back and front of us, there are lots of people. People on the subway, underneath the ground, people riding taxis round and round and round. So the poet is saying that people are on the subway, means underground railway. They are under the ground. People are riding taxis round and round and round, means people are always busy. The ones who are traveling on the train, on the subway, who are driving the taxi, they are always busy and they are always in hurry. People with their hats on, going in the doors. People with umbrellas when it rains and pours. So people who wear hat on and they are going in the doors, and people, they keep umbrella with them when it rains and pours, means when it rains heavily. So even when it is raining, Even when it is raining very heavily at that time, people are still moving very quickly. They are in hurry. They keep on moving. They keep on going from here and there. And they keep umbrellas with them. Then people in tall buildings and in stores below, riding elevators up and down they go. So in the tall buildings and even in the stores, people are there. They are riding elevators, means they are going in elevators, lift up and down. They keep going and up and down. People walking singly, people in a crowd, people saying nothing, people talking loud. All those people who are walking alone, singly, or all the people who are walking in crowd, people who are not saying anything, or people who are talking loud, all these people means all the types of people, they are always busy and are in hurry. People laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you. So, different kinds of people. Some people are laughing and smiling, some are grumpy, and all these people, they are always in hurry. They don't have time at all even to look at you. Sing a song of people who like to come and go. Sing of city people you see but never know. So here the poet is saying that let's sing a song of people who always like to come and go, means they are always busy. Let's sing a song of city people, the people who live in city, but you never know them. You see them, but you never know them because they don't have time to talk with you, to know you. That's why the poet's name is Lois Lenski. So in this poem, the poet is telling that all the people are always busy, they are doing something, they are in hurry always, and they don't even have enough time to look at you or to talk to each other. They are not even aware who are walking besides them or in front of them, behind them. They don't meet any people. They are always doing some work and very busy. Here the poet is talking about people who live in city. So what we learn from the poem is that we should take some time to enjoy our surroundings and we should talk to people who are around us. Even if we are very busy all the time, then also we should see what is going on around us. We should meet people, we should talk to them. That is what we learn from the poem. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Name the poet of the poem. Who has written the poem? Answer. The poet of the poem is Lois Lenski. Question 2. How do the people in the city walk? In the poem, people who are living in city, how do they walk? Answer. People in the city are always in a hurry. They do not have time to sit and ponder. Ponder means think. They walk fast or slow, or they go up and down. So in city, people are always in hurry. They don't have time to sit and to ponder, means to think. They keep walking either fast or slow, or they go up and down. Question 3. Find the meaning of subway from the third stanza. What is the meaning of the subway? Answer. A subway is an underpass or underground passage for the pedestrians to use. The people who walk, for them, underground passage or underpass passage is made, which is known as subway. Question 4. What do people wear to protect themselves from heat or cold or the rain? Answer. People wear hats to be safe from heat and cold, and they use umbrellas when it rains and pours. So people wear hat to protect them from heat or cold, and they use umbrellas to protect themselves from rain. Question 5. Find and write the lines that show that there are both happy and unhappy people on the road. So from the poem we have to find one line which shows that on the road there are both happy and unhappy people. Answer. People laughing or smiling, grumpy people too. This line of the poem shows that some people are happy who are laughing and smiling, and some people are unhappy, means grumpy people. Question 6. The line which shows us that there are lots of people in the city but we don't know them is Which line of the poem shows us that in city there are lots of people, but we see them but we don't know them? Which are those lines? Answer: sing of city people, you see but never know. So these lines of the poem shows us that in the city there are lots of people. We see them but we don't know them. Question 7. Find rhyming words from the poem for the given words. So few words are given and we have to find rhyming words. Answer: A. Slow, go. B. Doors, pores. C. Ground, round. D. To, you. So these words are rhyming words. I hope you have understood the poem and the question answers I explained. Thank you.